Okay, so today we're going to be installing this hook rack item here, which comes with self-adhesive pads in the back, so there's no drilling, no screws needed for this item. And it's a pretty simple installation. First thing we're going to want to do, again, this is a glass surface, so this will work the same for glass as it will on tile. So it's great for bathrooms or anywhere with a glass wall. First thing you want to do is quickly clean the surface and make sure that dries. And for us, we're using an alcohol spray. Just to make sure it's clean, so we don't have any oils on there. Make sure to get a good hold with the adhesive strips on the back. Now that it's dry, a couple things we'll need. The hook rack, of course, we have a small level here, so you're gonna want to find a good spot wherever it is on the wall. Take the level, make sure we got a good spot, nice and level here. Now, we can use a marker to kind of mark where our spots are on the wall, but you might end up marking the wood. So one thing that we do is use our tape here and just run it along the edge to make sure when we put it back, we're gonna have it nice and full. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Make sure we got a nice spot. That doesn't look okay. There we go. Okay, so now that we have our markers placed on the surface here, we're going to go ahead and remove the plastic strips from the back. Okay, line it up with where we have our markings. Okay, so now that's here, we're going to want to hold it for about 30 seconds just to make sure we've got all the, make sure it's got a good hold. Once that's done, we're going to remove these screw covers here. Oops. Okay, and then we bring the hook off. And that leaves the pads. So we're going to want to go through and make sure we're getting all the air bubbles out, just pushing outward, getting all the air bubbles out of the adhesive pad here. Okay. Once that's done, we can go ahead and replace the hook rack. Put the screw covers back on. This and this last one here. Okay. And go ahead and remove your tape. Okay, now that we have it on here, we're going to leave it for about a day to let it set. And then after a day, we can go ahead and start hanging things on there. And for customers that want to actually put it on a drywall or a wood wall, we have screws available for that as well. So we've got two different modes of installation. We've got the adhesive pads for glass or tile, and we have screws and anchors for drywall and wood. Okay, so now we've got our hook rack mounted onto our glass surface with the adhesive pads in the back. It's been here for 24 hours, so everything should be safe and secure. Now we can start hanging things. And the maximum capacity for this is going to be about 15 pounds. You can hang all sorts of different things. You've got some keys, some bags, you know, just general household things. But it's going to be strong enough to hold up just about anything you throw at it. Again, as long as it's less than about 15 pounds. So this is what the end product will look like. Again, it's real sturdy on here. So we're good to go.